Okay, I'm going to replace the brake pads. This is my '08 Vulcan 900 Kawasaki. All you have to do is take off these two bolts. They are 12 millimeter. So, and you have to take out this rubber grommet here. Find it easier if I spray like soapy water, or I have simple green here. Kind of helps to pull it out. I'm just going to slide it down and out. So let's pull that out. Pull your cord free or out of this. It's a little difficult to pull this straight out because you have the lip of the wheel. Let me pull out a little here. You have the rim that kind of stops it, so you have to find a place that will let you come off. Right there. So next thing you do is on right here there is a little clip that you have to pull out. So I have this. Pull the little clip out, and then this slides out. Have to get something behind that. That slides out. Now the two pads will come out. This one is not connected to anything anymore, so you can pull it right out. On this side you have to swivel it up and pull it off. It's still attached to here. So all you got to do is get your new brake pads. Make sure you buy specific for front. You'll see there's two holes. Only one will fit on this. Make sure you have the brake pad on the inside. Slide it in there. Rotate it over. Take your brake pad. I just did this last night. My video didn't save, so I'm doing it again using the same pads. This one's kind of a pain. There's only one way to put it in. You have to get in there pretty good and then slide this back in. There's only one way to slide it in because on this side there's no opening. Slide that in there. There's a little hole. Get your little clip. Put that back in. Make sure it's in there the right way. It is. So you have to make sure that there's enough room space here, because you're going to be taking off your old pads, which are thinner, put on thicker pads, so your opening's not going to be wide enough. What you can do is get a flathead screwdriver in between there and Try not to use the walls of the pads, but get it down as low as you can and just use the bar to go back and forth and get yourself some more room. Doesn't take much. I'm going to see if I can put this on without doing that, since I did it last night. This part goes towards the front. Got to get it back in here. Take your hands and see if you can get that opening, or keep that opening. It's kind of a pain because it wants to go back and forth, so try and keep your thumb or something in there to keep the opening. And usually if you start it at the bottom, you can work it up. Okay, once you slide it in there, match up the holes. Tighten it up. Well, I obviously don't have the hole there. Let's try that. All right, and then I squirt this back down so I can get it back in. Put it around the cable there, or the brake tube, and work it back in. Oop. And that's it. Once you're done, make sure you pump your brake lever a few times, because you're not going to have brakes otherwise. And that's it. See ya.